If you get to this point where you're looking at your yellows and it looks weird to you, you don't have a dot or this shape or a line, you have something that looks like a T, or you have this shape but you can't get it to go up and to the right, it goes in a different direction, you do have a parity and you need to fix it before you can solve it. So in our case, we have a T. So what you need to do is the following parity move. You go up on the left, up on the right, turn the top twice. Down on the left, down on the right, turn the top twice. Up on the left, up on the right, turn the top twice. Down on the left, down on the right, turn the top twice. Up on the left, up on the right, turn the top twice. You can tell when you've finished the parity move because your whites have lined up again, and just move them back down. You will notice then that you have two side pieces that have switched places. So we need to reorient them, turn them around. That's what caused the parity in the first place. So we need to put any piece in the side to kick one of these out. It doesn't matter which one. Okay, so now I just have a junk piece, any piece you want, in its place, and now that piece is right here. Now, if you remember, when I did the side pieces, I always put that color on the left hand choice. It could have gone here, or it could have gone here. I put them all on the left, so now I know if I have the parity, I'm going to put it on the right. I'm going to go away to the right, down, go back up, and now I have the orange in the correct place again. And that has kicked out the blue, or the other one that was in the wrong place. So again, here's my blue piece. It's on the left hand choice with the blue, and here's the right hand blue. So I'm going to put it on the right hand side this time, and go away to the right to place it. Now the top two rows are done again, and we should have our yellows that look familiar to us. It should either be the dot, this shape, or a line, or a T in our case, and you solve it just like you normally would